Hi, this is Faisal Chima, a crisis counselor at Peer Multicultural Council. Today I am going to talk about mental health and wellness during the COVID-19 pandemic. And this video is only for information purpose. In this video, you will know about how to stay informed, mental and physical wellness, family fun time and wellness, and intellectual wellness. You will also know about the support available at PMC. As you know, there are multiple sources of information available on the internet, but it is very important to know which one is most reliable and precise source of information. One of the best ways to get most reliable information could be visiting government websites. Government of Canada, Government of Ontario, and Region of Peel have put updated information on their websites, and you can call to PMC to get further information. When we talk about mental and physical wellness, we need to accept that some anxiety and fear is normal. As we know, COVID-19 is a new virus. The uncertainty about the virus and the changes that are unfolding can make most people feel a bit anxious, which is normal. This anxiety can help motivate us to take action, to protect ourselves and others, and to learn more about the pandemic. In a situation when we are worried about something, one approach that can help us is challenge worries and anxious thoughts. High level of anxiety and stress are usually fueled by the way we think. Not all our thoughts are facts. Many are simply beliefs that we hold. Sometimes we have held these beliefs for so long that they feel like facts. Identify your thoughts and challenge these. Ask yourself, is this thought true? How do I know it is true? Is it 100% true and always true? Yoga practice and stretching exercises have many physical benefits, and additionally, they also help to create mental clarity and calmness, relieve chronic stress patterns, relax the mind and center attention, develop coping skills. Healthy eating has its own importance. Food choices may also affect your mood and mental health. Get proper rest and sleep is very important for both physical and mental health. Getting enough sleep can both help reduce the stress and prepare us to better manage stress. Here are some quick strategies to help you get a good night's sleep. Keep a consistent sleep schedule. This is going to bed and getting up at the same time each day. Practice relaxation or meditation before bedtime. Schedule physical activity for earlier in the day. Keep your bedroom cool. Avoid any light in your room. Use your bed for sleep, not reading, watching the TV, using your cell phone, etc. Having family fun time is very important for the collective wellness of the family. Spend time with your family and have fun activities with the kids. Following are some of the activities that you can have at home, and there are a lot of activities available on YouTube. You can choose any of those of your interest. Intellectual wellness is very important component of our personality. Use your time to increase your intellectual wellness. These activities may include solving puzzles, learning new languages, making art, reading books, learning new skills online, watching informative and motivational videos, and you can do research and planning for your activities after this social distancing situation. These are some of the services for which PMC provides supportive counseling, including stress management, crisis intervention, mental health support, and if specialized services will be required, PMC can refer to the external resources. If you need help, remember it is never too late, but getting professional help at an early stage may make a big difference. Thanks for watching this video and feel free to contact Peel Multicultural Council to get further information for your settlement and mental health needs.